fucking rock. I'm telling you, it's time for us to turn up and fucking knock. It's the heck of the spot, no, it's the heck of the cops. I'm the beast on the block, nope, it's just me on the block. Can't forget about rock, a lot of niggas wanna pop. Y'all niggas bitch mates, you might as well stop. I do my shit regardless, and it's just and I ain't gonna stop getting money till I get my cut. You try to rush in, nope, y'all niggas getting cut. I tell you, think on the side, pussies, you getting rushed. Bitch made, turn y'all to powder puff. Y'all type to go in the bathroom and powder up.
Got the shit, yo, it's powder
up ass niggas, man.
We leave a bitch smoking like Crunchy Munch. Leave him for the lunch in the box.
About to switch it up on y'all, man.
Ooh.
Get that shit, Ski. Throw it on like that, man. Off this beat. Feel it. I know my nigga gotta feel it.
Yo, you know the beat's on. I gotta hustle hard regardless, cause the street's gone. Shit, I gotta make it happen, A lot of niggas out here, man, they getting cracking. My niggas out there on the other side, they big backing. Talking about they getting that cake money, they G-macking. But you know me, I'm on something else. I'm trying to get money, do it for my fucking health. I do it for my squad, and I do it for my fucking self. And for my kids live. Shit, I handle that, and know how to handle that. My niggas want beef, you can rap like a sandwich rap. And that beef, I don't condone in that. Full force, can't stop me, man. Ain't no holding back. I'ma do my thing, hold my gang. Shit, call it us, yeah, we rolling gangs. And we roll them things. Ain't can't stop it. That's what the God, my mom, we gon' make a profit. Shit locked up, baby mom knocked up. It's crazy on the strip with that gun when I pop up. I'ma turn up a notch, what? Who gon' stop us? Niggas can't stop us.